everybody, this is Maggie. Today we introduce you a kids electric dirt bike. This dirt bike, the length is around 120 centimeters. The width is around 60 centimeters. The height is around 70 centimeters. The ground clearance of this bike is around 20 centimeters. And the seat height is around 60 centimeters. This bike is always for teenager use, like your kids is more than 4 years old, less than 17 years old. This model is very suitable, and this model is equipped with the front light. And here, this is the start key. And this one is slow speed and faster speed switch. The charging port is here. This is the charging port. We can also customize for the charger, suitable for the country stable. Like US we use US plug. Europe we use Europe plug. This model with 500 watts hub motor and the rear disc brake, front disc brake. The speed can up to 45 kilometers per hour, and the battery inside is 36 volts and 12 ampere hours. The range of this bike is about 30 kilometers. If you have any interested of this model, welcome to visit our official website www.vehicleindustry.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.